Staying young means being willing to learn, evolve and be open to life. Youth is not just about a certain chronological number from the day of your birth. Youth means you're constantly in the making. You're not a settled life. You're always growing, you're always learning, you're always a new possibility. This is not just about youth, this is about life. This is what life means. Only with death you must settle. With life, you must be continuously evolving, growing, exploring new possibilities or making your life more profound or impactful. Something must be happening. So it's my wish and my blessing, you stay young. Young does not mean behaving like an 18-year-old all your life. No, youth essentially means your life in the making. You must be constantly life in the making till you settle into the earth one day